Namaskar all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are well at your home and you are also doing your studies. It is your computer class for class 10th, chapter 5. Chapter name is Creating List, part 2. In our last class, we have discussed about unordered list. So, we have talked about unordered list. Unordered list is like a list which is not a proper sequence. Okay, it is not necessary to make a sequence in a unordered list. Second one is ordered list. A ordered list is need a specific order. Which list is in a specific order? It is the ordered list. So in our today's class we will discuss about a ordered list. An ordered list represents a set of items in a sequence or an order. And an ordered list can be numerical or alphabetical. By default, an ordered list is numerical, and we can do it alphabetical or any other sequence with the help of tags. So, for your better understanding, I'm going to show you a video. So, watch this video for your understanding.
Already created an unordered list of the ingredients for the vegetable sandwich. The steps for making the sandwich are still in a paragraph. Putting the steps in a list will make it more readable and easier to follow. To create a numbered list of the steps for making the sandwich, you need to represent the steps in the form of an ordered or sequential list. To do this, ensure that the myrecipe.html file is open in Notepad.
So, for creating an ordered list, you have to open your file. In this file, we have an unordered list. Okay, so we will create an ordered list with this unordered list. Okay, so watch the video carefully.
Delete the highlighted code that specifies the process of making the sandwich. Add the code to create an ordered list.
It is the method to create an ordered list. So watch carefully. First of all, you have started this OL tag, that is for ordered list, and then started list tag, which is for listing the document.
Click here to view the entire code.
Now you can save this file, and by saving this file you can view the code of the file. Okay.
An ordered list represents a set of items in a sequence or an order. An ordered list can be numerical or alphabetical. By default, an ordered list is numerical. The tag used to create the ordered list is OL. The OL tag contains individual list items represented by the LI tag. By default, all the LI tags within the opening and closing OL tags are separated by a line break. Save the myrecipe.html file and view it in a browser.
Save this file and open this file in the browser for
the ordered list of making the sandwich is created. Delete
so So like this you can create an ordered list. It is the process to create an ordered list here. Now I'm opening Notepad. In Notepad we will create an ordered list. So in our last class we have created an unordered list type square. Okay, now we will create an ordered list here. So output of this file is this. Here the bullet marks are here. So it is an unordered list. For creating an ordered list, what you will do? Start OL tag here. List is same as we have created in last class, but only you have open and close OL tag here. तो UL tag की जगह पे हमने OL tag कर दिया. Now save this file. Click on file and click on save, and after saving you will open this file and click refresh. By refreshing this list you will get an ordered list. देखो यहाँ पे bullet की जगह पे 1 2 3 4 हो गया. तो this is an ordered list. In our last class we have discussed about unordered list and this is ordered list. तो ordered list और unordered list में क्या difference है? Ordered list में आप OL tag यूज करते हैं and unordered list में आप UL tag को यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. And there is also some attributes of OL tag and UL tag. So अगर आप OL tag को like alphabet से start करना चाहते हैं, then what will you do? OL tag में आप यहाँ पे type is equals to A. Right here A. तो क्या होगा? Save this file. Save and then open it in browser and refresh it. तो देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? 1 2 3 4 की जगह पे ABCD यहाँ पे आपका आ गया है. ठीक है. So for creating an ordered list, what you will do? Open OL tag and then you can give its type like 1 or A or big A or small a. These all are the types of ordered list. And then you will start LI tag, that is for listing. So LI tag is for listing. You will start LI tag, then close LI tag here, and then you again start LI tag, and then again you will close LI tag from here. So these all are the tags. OL tag will start from here and close here, then body close, and then you will close HTML tags. Okay. So then you will get the output of this page like ingredients and ABCD is here. Now if I'll do, it's like big A. Okay, and save this file, then what will the output? Then अब देखिए यहाँ पे अभी स्मॉल ABCD है. जैसे ही हम इस पेज को रिफ्रेश करेंगे तो यहाँ पे बिग लेटर्स आ गए. मतलब आप ऑर्डर लिस्ट का जो भी टाइप यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे, सेम टाइप यहाँ पे जो है वो आपको शो हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So in this code they have started with UL tag, that is unordered list.
An ordered list. The screen displays the skill and concepts you have learned in this session.
So in this chapter we have discussed about ordered list. Ordered list is the list in the sequence, and ordered list is the list which show us the sequence of any process. Okay, and it is also in sequence only, and we can start it by 1 and by A, B, C, D. These all are the types of ordered list. Okay, I will share your class homework in your class group. To complete all your work in computer notebook and do practical of all the tags and complete your work and share your submit your notebook in the school. Thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you so much.